Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pre-Market Analysis. Let's start. We'll be covering less number of tickets today, but we'll be going in deep analysis to understand exactly all the footprint of the markets, and so that you can plan the trade accordingly. Right here at this very first, at this candle, I called that the market has an awareness Marubazu candle, and then this one, two awareness Marubazu candle, this red candle, this red candle. 100% confirm that the market will sell off. We knew it, right at this point we knew it. There is a multiple top, point number one, point number two, point number three, point number four, and on the top we had this triangle right here. If you look at this one, so the market sell-off was 100% confirmed right from this point, and nothing could have stopped the market to crash from here. But this candle, this one candle, is not the end. Market will sell further. Where will the market will sell? Market will sell to the horizontal support line, 650.11. That's the price target. Nail it, write it, make note. 650 is the bottom of this trend, and then the market will give you the lower high. So what the market will be doing? Market will be doing something like this, and then going to 619. This is what the market will be doing. A, B, and C. The end of the uptrend right here. So market will drop into 650, continue dropping from here, a little bit of bounce in between, irrelevant. The market will go up, down, up, down. It will be the continued downtrend starting from here. So if you see the zigzag pattern, any green day you will be shorting the market, something like this. Continue shorting. Every green day from now, you'll buy the put until 15th of February. Make sure there is no reason for you to be bullish about the market. Absolutely zero. So the market will continue going down, 650. Then the market will give you the wave B, and then the market C. Okay. And this wave A should complete before 15th of February. Precise, starting from today, because 16th of January was our day of sell-off. And then we got the 17, 18, 19 was the day off. The market was closed. And today is the first day of the market sell-off, precise as alerted back on 12th of October. That the market will sell off on 16th of October at market close. And this is the result. Okay. Now, market will mark the bottom right at this point on 15th of February. Precisely 15th February, the market will be here. And then the wave B will start. So this is S&P 500. Continue shorting the stock, buying the puts, shorting the share at every bounce. No excuse, no exception, nothing. Don't tell me that you were bullish and you think the market will turn around. Nothing. Market will sell off to 650. That's where the bottom is. We have been holding our short position since 24th of October, and today we turn green. Okay, moving forward to coin. This is the stock we are looking for, the big trade right here. What we are looking at? We are looking at the ultimate low right in this area. This was the ultimate low area, liquidity. Then if you look at carefully right here, this candle, the market was sidelined. There was no breakdown. So what happened here? This become the entire wave A. This was the first breakdown, and this become the wave B and C. When the market came at this point, this was the first point the market pulled back. Okay. So right here, if you look at this particular candle, this was the first change of character and the break of structure downside. So down, up. So breakout here. This means the ultimate low from here shifted to this point right here. You see that right here? This was the ultimate low for the next bottom. Once the price was trading at 442, we clearly told that this will tank to 235. There is nothing in this world could have stopped this coming from this price. Not that it's today, it's here, and I'm telling you. I can tell you other stocks right now where they will go. Okay, so this is where it will go. Now what we have? We have the horizontal support, point number one, point number two, point number three, point number four. What will happen next? You will see a sharp, right now there is no liquidity sweep happen. 1, 2, nothing. It's a normal behavior of the stock. So what will happen? You will see one wick sooner or later, maybe today, maybe 5 days from now, a long wick here, and the market will bounce. That's it. Straight 304 area right here at this particular candle right here for a little bit down here. Okay, so there will be one liquidity sweep, one shakeout on the coin, and suddenly the price will shoot up to 304. We'll be taking a big trade on this one. Be ready. We are right at the bottom at the horizontal support. The price has, the sell-off is almost done. We need to start the recovery on this one. All right, moving forward to Meta. We call the price 606.79, precisely 606, 607.28. To the point, precise hit. We are at the horizontal support line. If you see the dark blue line coming from here, I'll give you the horizontal support line right here, not vertical, horizontal. So right here, the meta has hit the bottom. The price will bounce from here, definitely. Okay, so most likely today, not today, because today the market is selling off. So most likely day after tomorrow, you will see the recovery on the meta. Okay, so what do? Bull put spread on this one. Bull put credit spread, not debit. Bull put credit spread. Okay. Okay. So Meta is at the bottom. Bull put credit spread is the trade. Coin will be taking the big spread. Long synthetic skew buys, directional trade. One trade which will change your life. That's the kind of trade we are looking on the coin at this point. Okay, we are just waiting for the precise entry. First spinning candle like this one, the green candle right here. Right here, when the first spinning green candle comes, we will take the entry. Long entry comes at 251. Once we cross the 251, the price will run. And the 251 is right here. So what we are looking at on the coin, I have to do a lot of analysis on this one today. So just hold. So you see this principal candle, we already have the awareness candle right here. This is our awareness candle right here, the green candle. Once we break the high of this candle, okay, which is 259, the stock will run like wild. You will not be able to catch the stock. Record this, after 269, you will not be able to catch this stock because it will have a Marubazu candle like this one. You see this is the kind of pattern you will see right in this area. Once we have this this area, this is the kind of repetition you will see right here in this area. Okay, after the liquidity sweep, a little bit right in this area, and then the price will run fast and you will not be able to catch. I'm telling you, no one has ever been able to catch the Marubazu awareness, because the 10-15% it will go like, you will wake up in the morning and you'll see the 10% gap up. That will happen. So you need to build your position right at as soon as possible, when the next maybe 1 or 2 candle, that's it, maximum 2 days, 3 days we have here to build the position. Okay, I would say October will be best. September, October, because you need to give it a time of February sell-off. Okay, because the quarter 4 earning, you want to have a date after that, like you cover that period, which is choppy period right in this area, February, so that from March onward you start printing dollar in this one. Okay, right here, why the price will have a liquidity sweep downside, that's important. So I told you there is a possibility of liquidity sweep downside, but why? So right here, if you look at, what do you see in this candle right here? You see right here in between this candle, there is a fair value gap right here, which is pending for a long time, coming from this date, which was 20th of January. And since then, this gap has been pending. So right here, this is what we are looking at. So a little bit down here, liquidity sweep, and then shoot up like this. So there is a little bit more downside, a little bit more, most likely 212.50 is the bottom, which we called back in the month of December, right when the price was trading right here around 326. So 212 roughly is the bottom, and then the price will shoot up. So make sure you are ready for and you catch this. All right, moving forward to Microsoft. Good stock. This is the stock that you want to own. Very similar situation. This again, there is a fair value gap right here, a long pending gap, and it's been going on for a while. If you look at here, right here, you see that at 396, and then we have the gap right in this area right here at 409. So there is a possibility of Microsoft to sell off another 10%. So what you do when you know that there is a possibility of 10%, there is a hell of upside. The stock will go eventually upside, but first there is a almost 10% downside earning gap. This is earning gap. This is not fair value gap. This is earning gap. So there is a possibility to fill this around 400 area. So what you do? Bull put credit spread only. Make sure you trade spread. Do not buy the share at all on this one. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the watch list and we'll see which stock we need the covering. DVLT, our micro stock, which has already gone to 10x in September. This is what we were trading before. So what we are looking at right here, we are looking at the internal demand. There is the internal demand concept we will implement. So price right starting from here, it's starting the sell-off. You will not see this price again. Make sure you are not targeting the all-time high. It's not going to fall. So where it's going, we take the internal demand. That's where it's going. Because when you have the structure like this, only your friend is internal demand, and this demand body to body, And we will not take these demand because these are overlapping with this demand particularly. So this is your target. So right here, 224, 224, 220 area. And the reason for the price here, you see that it's spin one time, spin two time, spin three time, spin four time, five time. And this is exactly where the sell-off started. So all the internal demand automatically fits the parameter of the previous sell-off. Means the price will not go to this high, but exactly come here and sell off once again. So what will happen? You will see that this demand coming and then recovery. I mean retracement, something like this. Okay. But from here, we will exactly go to $2 and make sure you exit at $2. Have a limit order at $2. Do not get greedy after two. This is the time to buy and hold. Okay. HIMS, what's going on? We are sitting at the support line, 100%. Okay, there is not much downside left. Why there is not much downside left? Let's go and analyze the stock. So what's going on here? Okay, this was the ultimate low. This was the ultimate low right here. And after this bull run, which we exactly traded this one, and we also traded this one. So we have traded these both run back in 2025. Okay, after that, we have not taken any trade at the top. And since then, we have been waiting. And we are also in the trade right from this area. So what is going on right here? So when this was the ultimate low, okay, the price will not come to this point. It's not going to happen. So this is not going to happen. What will happen? The price will only come where the institution entry was, and institution entry was in this candle. You see that? So if you drag this, price will only come to the institution candle, IFC candle right here. And we are already there. So what we are waiting here, the liquidity sweep of all this point, which were people were buying from starting from this candle, okay, right here. Starting from 5th of May 2025, all these buyers, they were holding their position all the way, thinking we'll have a major breakout. And where their stop loss was, all these buyers, those who bought it here, 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 all this here, 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 here. So where there was stop loss was holding, they were holding the stop loss right in this area. So what market did? Market exactly tapped them out right here. You see that? All got kicked out from the trend. Greedy trader and everyone got kicked out here. Then the market sell off further, all stop loss hunt, retap exactly the same trend. So from here down, kick them out here in the stop loss, tap this and sell off further. Sell off where? Sell off exactly to this point where the institution entry was. And where was the institution entry? Right at $30. And where is the price? Again, we are at $30. So this is the area that what you will see sooner or later. Very similar pattern which we saw on SMCI. After that, I will show you on SMCI what happened. This candle, this big green candle will repeat any time here. The institution entry will happen and the price will shoot up. Where is the price target? Again, same price target, equal high, multiple time. Okay, 65 area. Again, the price will go to 65 and then sell off because it will not break the 65. Now, why there will be a big green candle? Let me show you on SMCI what will happen. Institution wants you to be frustrated, okay, before they buy anything. So what was going on here? Look, very similar chart. This was the ultimate low. The price will never come to this point. Okay, 20 area. The price will never come to this area. You will not see this price in your life. So what happens? Right from here, up, structure break, down, all these people, they were having a liquidity was sitting right in this area. This is where the liquidity was sitting, a little bit down right here. If you look at, you see that this is where the liquidity was sitting. What happened? The price exactly go up, down, sweep most of these people, those who were using this particular candle as a stop loss, low of this candle, which was 34.98. Right at 34.98, if I draw the line, you will see precisely how the institution works. So 34.98. So 34.98 was the stop loss, right, of all these people in this box, right from this candle all the way to these people. All these, where was the liquidity? Right at the institution buy at 34.98. What happened? Same tap. So sell off, down, tap, sell off. You see that? And what happened after that? Tap, sell off, and at the bottom you got the Marubazu candle, which means the institution entry precisely taking out the previous liquidity, all this liquidity, and suddenly the price started shooting up and you have a Marubazu candle. You see that? right after the sell-off, out, tap, further sell-off, liquidity, and the institution buy. Very similar pattern you will see on HIMS. Now you understand what's going on here? Right under this point, you have a liquidity sweep. So liquidity sweep, right from this point, all out, retail out, tap, further sell-off. We are about to have an institution entry right in this area. Anytime the institution will enter the stock, because this is how the institution works. They want you to get frustrated of your holding, that, oh shit, this is not moving, this is garbage stock, CEO is selling, why the hell I bought it, I'm not going to trade this stock anymore, I will never buy this again, I'm not making money off this stock, there is not enough premium on the cover call. You will get frustrated, and right when you are frustrated and you are willing to give up your position, that, oh, cut it, I will better trade Amazon or NVDA, and then suddenly what will have, you will have an institution entry next day, big green candle. Then the price range bound for a couple of days, right here, like this, okay, which is going to happen on SMCI now, okay. So what will happen on SMCI? Do you think is the breakout is happening? No. The institution has shown you that there is an entry. That's it, nothing else. Their entry is visible in this particular candle. So what's going on? Now you will see the candle sideline. This sideline candle right here, the price will stay sideline for next couple of days, 5 days, 7 days. And then you will see the original, the real breakout. So what will happen? Price will bounce sideline like this one, okay? And then the real breakout come like this. Then the breakout will happen. But again, the price will stay sideline here. But the volume spike right in this area at the bottom shows that the institution buy has already started. All right, BMNR. Okay, what's going on? BMNR. The crypto has crashed from 98 to 90. So the BMR is an Ethereum. Why do you think there is something happening with the BMNR? Nothing is happening at BMNR. This is crypto sell-off. When the crypto will sell off, ETF, this the treasury company and the ETF of the Bitcoin and all this, they will sell off, like SOLZ, ETHA, BMNR, MSTR. They all will sell off when the price will, when the crypto will sell off. And this is the case because the crypto, weeks in advance, I alerted that the crypto will sell off. Right at 98, when we knew it, the Bitcoin has hit the 98, we knew it precisely. The Bitcoin will drop to 90,500. And yesterday, it dropped to $90,558. So when we know, there is nothing to panic about that. When we know where the price is going. Path is at the bottom. I think yesterday I did in my analysis on the weekly basis. So what is happening on the path? This liquidity, Marubazu up, Marubazu down. Very similar. The price trend right here, uptrend. So what you can do? You can start the trade right here. It's good to enter a position right in this area. There's nothing wrong here. There will most likely, I think, another 1 or 2 candle. You still see downside. Okay. So most likely, I think today is Tuesday. You'll see by Thursday, the recovery will start. Okay. What you are looking right in this area for the entry, you are looking at this particular candle right here, this particular candle. Okay, so there's a little bit like almost there, but you have this gap left. Okay, right here, you see this particular candle. My entry will be high of this candle right here. This will be my entry at 1346. So right now it's trading at 1392. So 1346 will be my entry with the short put, not with the buying share. So as soon as the price dropped to 1346, I will short the put. ATM put, short put, ATM for 15th of May and collect premium. And then what will happen? Right in this area, right here. 15th of May, right here. So there's a little bit, just like few cents, like 70 cent, 50 cent more downside left on this one. And most likely we'll see the price hitting today. Why the price will hit and go up here? What do you see here? This was the ultimate high. What do you see here? A, B, C right here. But between the A, B, and C, there is something interesting pattern. If you missed it, let's do that. So why this sell-off came? A symmetrical triangle. This was a bearish symmetrical triangle right here. So what was happening here? This particular pattern. Let me take this. So right here, you see that? Equal high, sorry, the trend high, and then you have this coming from here. What does this become? The particular pattern, this area, sell off, price up, and then if you want to figure out this sell off, what you do, you take the previous liquidity from body to body, sell side. This was the main liquidity from body to body, nothing else. And you bring it here from the spread candle to here. And you see that you have your price target. So right here, 1426 was the minimum that it will drop. Anything from 1426 is your entry, which is already at 1392. Price will not go to this candle. Let me explain you why it will not go. Price will not go here on VPATH 1239. Not happening. Absolutely nothing can make it to go to 1293, 1239. Why it will not happen? Why the price came here last time is because of this particular candle. You see the gap right here? Right here, this gap brought in the price here. Actually, the gap was right up to here. So this gap brought in the price down here. So if this gap is already mitigated, the price is not going to happen again. And the current gap was right here, which is already filled. So there is nothing to go down for the stock. Okay. If the overall market sell off or panic happen in the market, let's say retail investors, because they generally panic, they are the first one to panic. So if something broader market sell off happen, then it's a different story. It can drop further. It can go to zero. You know, there is no control over that if everything start collapsing tomorrow. But based on a technical analysis, there is no reason for the stock to drop below this point, below this order block, this line, which is 1343, and the price will bounce. And if you want to see here on my chart, path 1343, what is that? Point wave one. What is pointing to? 1359. So even the system telling me 1359 is your price target after this sell-off. Wave C, which I just explained you, A, B, C, 1343 manual calculation, 1346 system algo calculation, 13.59. So 1359 is your bottom on the path. Sell the put and enjoy your life. That's it. Okay. It should be on your watch list path at this price, because when the price was right here, I was screaming every single day at $19, get the hell out of this because this will sell off. And someone in my group as well who was holding the path, I made him exit here at 1915 something, that get the hell out of this one. Okay, let's go to the next stock. All right, so the stock that we are interested in here is the Netflix. The earning is coming, okay, tonight. Okay, so what's going on? It's 100% bullish from here. The earning, practically it should bounce to 102 area, 102 right in this area, and then it can sell off further, but from here it should go up. Why it should go up? Let's try to figure out. So we have the trend line right here, which is the sharp decline right in this area. You see this trend line coming down. When you have this trend line, there was a confirmation that the price will break this trend line. Why it will break? Because there is a value area left here. You see that this particular candle right in this area, right here, you have this gap left between the trend line and this particular candle. Here it touch perfectly, touch, left. Whichever side the gap is left in the trend line, the price eventually goes to that side. Okay, right here, what we have, another trend building up here. You see that right in this area. So the price is trailing this support line. But what we have here, if I show you RSI, look at RSI. What's going on the RSI? So the price was dropping right from this point. Okay. And the price was down right here. From here to here, price has gone down. But RSI has not gone down if you look at this point. You see that? What was the RSI here? 26. What is the RSI here? 27. So it's a very minor, you can't see it clearly, but there is a bullish divergence. You see that? If I drag the line, then most likely you'll be able to figure out there is a bullish divergence. You see that? Now you can see there is a divergence. From this point, it's wide, and then slowly, because it's a very tiny margin. It's like a marginal, it's like a friction, and that's why it's difficult to see. You see that now? I've zoomed the RSI. So from this point, this was the wider one, means 26, and then it's shrinking, but the price is going down. What do you see? There is a bullish divergence on the RSI, but the price was downing. So it means that the trend will reverse on Netflix right here. We have the bullish divergence, oversold situation. RSI is bouncing. Earning, we should have a call spread on this one. Okay. Moving forward, Amazon. This is your stock. We have been trading since $220. We have closed 6 trade back-to-back in profit and 7th trade going on. What we are looking at on this trade, we have in the money covered call. We have bought the share at 238. We sold in the money call for 380 and collected $11. So our break even is 227. Still, the price is trading at 233. If it's selling off, be my guest. We want the shit to drop back into this area so that we eat up the entire $11 covered call premium, because we'll still be sitting in profit right here, 214 area. That's horizontal support. Can the price drop to 214? Let's try to figure out why the price should not drop and why it should. What's going on? So what happened? So right from here, the trouble is if the overall market sell-off, let's try to figure out where the bottom of Amazon, the ultimate bottom where you should be buying all the share possible. Okay. The ultimate bottom of Amazon is here, but right in this area. This is your ultimate bottom, 195. There is a earning gap right in this area. You see this earning gap? You see here? This you can highlight now. So there between these two lines right here. So this is the earning gap. This is the ultimate bottom, 190 area. If you see 190, buy everything on Amazon. That will be the cheapest stock on the planet, and you will make a lot of money out of this. But will the price go here right now? No, it won't go. Why the price will not go? The price will go for the liquidity. And where is the liquidity? We had two. I'll delete my drawing so that you have a more clarity. So what is happening on the Amazon right here? You have this equal low. You see this equal low right here, this point. I'll arrow it. So this point and this point. Every time the market bounce from equal low, market will always mark equal high. It says equal low breaks equal high. Why did this price sell off here and again the price sell off here? Why? Because the market was in equal low pattern, means the market will sell off at equal high. So where will the next market sell off? Right here. Right at this point, one more time the market will sell off at exactly 248. That was our price target when we bought it at 220. Our price target was 248 and the price went to 248.79, precise to 79 cents right at this point. Right at this point. This was the point right here. On 16th of December, we knew it, the price will go to 248 and sell off. Why it will sell off in this particular area, 248? You see this? The hidden seller sitting right here. So first, this green spread came in. Okay. The buyer tried to control the price, but failed. And then again bounced. What happened? Means this was the exit liquidity right here. So I'll show you. So once you have this particular candle, this was your exit liquidity in the market, which was hidden seller. After this sell-off, price went back to that area, mark the exit liquidity, 2 candle, the body is equal. Okay. But the wick is, you see the wick, bearish divergence on this one. As soon as we have, yes, I'm bullish on BMNR, 100%. Yeah. The turmoil will be over in a day or two. Once we have this bearish divergence in these 2 green candles, the sell-off here was confirmed. That means the seller was sitting right here at the wick of these 2 candles, these 2 wick, this one and this one. And right, if you look at where did the market sell off? At the wick of exactly at the yellow line, precise to the pennies. Okay. Technical analysis is, don't take it easy. You can pinpoint by the pennies. People have problem because they don't understand technical analysis. And then they say, oh, the chart is bullshit. Market is rigged. No, nothing is rigged. You need to read the chart. So right at this point, the market sell off. What will happen? The price is going down exactly where the hidden buyer are right at this point. You need to know where the buyer and seller are sitting. Right in this point, this is where the buyer are sitting. At the opening of this candle, sorry, the closing of this candle, because this was even despite it was a red color, but the candle closed here. Okay, because the buyer pushed it, because this was the buying candle moving forward. So closing of this candle and the low of this wick. You see the buyer sitting in this area, buyer here. After this, you see the buyer pushing the price. There is no wick downside. Means the seller failed completely. Seller did not try to push the price in these candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is no seller in this candle down. Okay, upside there is a pressure, but they could not push any candle down. Suddenly, this is where the price fluctuated, bounce. The seller tried to take control, but the buyer pushed it here. So 224.73. This is where the buyer showed up. Hey, enough is enough. Let's push the price again. Okay, so what will happen? This sell-off, where it can go, 224.73. That's it. And again, the buyer will come. Okay, and most likely, what kind of pattern you will see? This kind of pattern you will see right here. This, and then like this area right here. So this particular area will be repeated right here. So like zigzag, and then eventually going up. Okay, moving forward. Tesla, our favorite stock. We have a short strangle. Most likely we'll open green on this one. Tesla, coin, MSTR, not MSTR, Microsoft, NVDA, Palantir, short strangle throughout all the way to 15 February. Whenever you have the earning week, you close all the trade. Make sure you don't sell into earning week short strangle, okay? Because otherwise you can be trapped. Okay, so what's going on in the Tesla right here? So what do you see on the Tesla right here? What do you see here? Will the price sell off? 100% it will sell off. Nothing can stop that. And the price has the first target as equal low, this area, which is 383 first point. But because there is a liquidity is sitting right here, 1 time, 2 time, 3rd time when the market will go, market will swipe these out completely. Okay, so this is where the price will go. This is where the bottom is found, right in this area, which is 334, 336 area. So we have a lot of downside on this one. Here you will have a little bit bounce. Okay, the price never drop in a straight line. Like you have insider demand here, you will have 1 or 2 another insider demand, but eventually the price will go to 340 area before the marking the bottom of this entire trend completion. We have a short triangle. Market is open. Let's look at our trade. Okay, we'll be adjusting the coin for the profit. We'll be closing the call and shorting the down strike price. Same thing, we'll be looking at the Tesla trade. Okay. And we have a market open. All right. So here we go. Then we'll be trading on the screen. Okay. All right. Decent drop today. Let's look at what's going on the coin. So I have 30th of January trade. Most of you don't have. Okay. Because this was little aggressive trade, which I took. Because I can control. I have enough funds on the side. All right. So I have 250 call. I'll buy this and I will sell. The delta here is 53. I'll be going for 245. And I can sell this. Very good. Okay. 570. How much did I sell this one for? So I sold the call for 565. I'm making about $300. That's cool. So I'll collect the higher premium. So I sold for 565. Now trading at 375. So roughly about $200. Okay, that's fine. Something is better than nothing on a red day. All right, 30th of January. Buy to close 250. Sell 250. 107. I need approximately 5. 3, I will take the credit of around 125. Credit of 1.25. Okay, order submitted. I'll drop the price by 5 cents if the order filled. 120 filled. Perfect. That's how you play. I took the center point of the bid and ask. That was 107. I decided to start the trade from 125. Order did not fill. Then I went back to the price and changed it to 120 and the price filled. So why do I take the center point of, 107 when I can sell the same call and close $205 profit and still sell it for 120 instead of 107. So try to learn and play with the bid and ask price. All right. TSLA bull put spread, where the TSLA is going. TSLA, we have the call, which is ITM spread. Still, we are $2 away. We will settle for the profit. So that's fine. I practically want the TSL to drop to precisely $15, and we will nail that trade. All right, so this trade is settled. Let's go here. Let's look at the coin. Coin is the big trade. Coin is the big trade here. You need to be ready. Don't miss this. I'm telling you. You only have like a couple of days, 2-3 days for the entry. What I feel, Thursday, Friday, you should have the entry into that one. Let's ask DeepSeek. Come on. Yes, I know you are an AI. Continue. Mimic the economic of. All right. All right. Let's assume the coin is going to. Don't assume. Give me the price. Don't assume. I don't need to assume. Give me the 210 area. Pinpoint 210 that I can buy 210. Give me that price. 70-80% fee is the high. No. Don't give me bullshit. Tell me this is going to 210. Come on. Why are you making a story? Leave it. It's playing around a lot. Correction in the Bitcoin. Stop. If you're not working here. All right. So right now, this is the candle that we'll be monitoring. This is our candle of interest. Okay. This candle right here. As long as we don't break this, we have a bottom. Okay. So this particular candle right here. The price is range bound, lower band mitigation. I said, don't close Amazon call. Don't close. We need 100%. I alerted in Discord. Don't close Amazon. Covered. Don't close it. Don't close it. Either we get $1,100 profit on this one. We are not trying to split the trade here. Don't try to split Amazon. Okay, bullish on BMNR. Yes, bullish on BMNR path. You can look for the entry. What happened to BMNR? Nothing happened to BMNR. It's a normal behavior. Crypto is selling off at BTC/USD. So right when the price was here, right at 26, we call the bottom at 98. After 98, the price was down. Look at why the price is selling off in this particular area and what's the future hold here for the Bitcoin. Okay, so still bullish. This is bullish. Nothing to worry about right here. There is a little bit of shakeout going on starting from this point all the way to this, and towards 107. Market is bullish. Okay, so there is nothing to panic. It's a retracement. Now, let's understand what's going on here. Where do you see the big buy happening on this particular candle? As long as we are not breaking this candle down, you are bullish. This area. Okay, the market should reclaim this. The price will run when again we will come back to this area. This is where the price will run. Price will run once we reclaim 94. Equal high here, spread candle above this, like within this candle. Once we break the 94,700, the price will shoot up. Till then, we will see a little bit of drama. So from 94 to 107 will go very fast. Okay. 107,000, which is equal high of this point. Okay, right here. So that 107,537. So from 94 to 107 will go very fast. Exactly what happened here. So from 81 to 94. You see, we went quite quick from here, this point to this point. How many days? 1, 4, 4, 8, and 4. 12 days. 12 days, $14,000 recovery. Same thing here. 10 or 15 days, you will see, boom, straight into $107,000. So the price will run very fast once we break out to 94. Okay, right now we are in a pullback. It's normal. It's nothing wrong here. So just let the price pull back. Okay, Tesla 425. Tesla is selling broader, more than the market itself. Okay, Tesla. Okay. We have the trade on Tesla for 30th of January. What's your question? Sold coin 240 put for $2,100 February 20. All right, excellent. That's it. $2,100 is good enough. What else you need? Where is coin? Those who has the capacity to sell short the ATM put on coin for May, collect the premium right here. If you go here, options on the coin, collect the premium. You'll be good here. Coinbase, what is going on? Coin option, 15th of May. We pick up this strike price, ATM. So price right now is trading at 233. So if you are selling like 230 strike price right here, so 230 right here, so 240, let's go to 30 area. 230 put is giving you $2,800, $2,900 right here. That gives you the break even under 200, so 200 precisely. Okay, so it's a good trade right here. There is nothing to panic. So if you sell this right here, right in this area, short put, bullish, you see this? So we are good. SKU is rounding up here, so you'll be good on this one. All right, what's the question? Yes, what do you have? What do you have here? Close SMCI. Yeah, buy to close SMCI. Don't jump to buy anything today. Today is the first day of sell-off. You will have a more red candle. Okay, generally what happens when you have this kind of candle, there's never a next candle upside. Okay, that's not the case. It's not that one candle and next day you have a candle like this. It doesn't happen. Candle, next candle, generally what's the outcome? Next candle will be down, but may fall short. Okay, there is a possibility the market to recover tomorrow, but it will be a divergence between the candle like this one and the next candle will be still be red, but the next candle can be here, like smaller than this candle, nothing else. So make sure you know that. Don't get excited. Oh, it's a sell-off and let me buy it quickly. Tomorrow I'll make a lot of money. No. It will have a recovery, but the candle will still be red, but it can be upside, means falling short of this particular candle. This is the kind of pattern you should see tomorrow on throughout the market, all the stocks. Okay. So don't get excited. 1418. 1359 is the target right here. So we have this down, 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 change of character. There's a little bit more downside here. Rizal is back. Rigetti is back. SBX, we don't want to touch. Tempus AI, stay clear. Let's go to DLT 72. It's holding bloody damn 0.70. I'm telling you, see that how strongly when the price was here at 150 when we took the exit from the last trade, and then the price right at this point we knew it will go to 0.70, and look how closely it's holding 70. and you have a lot of buying pressure right in this area. See the equal area right here. So there is a buying pressure in this area, and the fair value gap has already been filled. There was a gap here. Okay, so right in this area, you hold, buy and hold. Don't panic on anything. XOXL, why it's not closed? Okay, trade, have you closed? What do you mean by one buy order? You close all the share, whatever you have. All right, 427. We have a 420 short put. Still a lot of a downside to go. Again, we have an equal low. Okay, very interesting. If you see that, very interesting thing happening on Tesla. What do you see here? What do you see here? Equal low and bounce. What do you see here? Equal low and bounce. Again, same pattern repetition. And it repeated even before, multiple times. Okay, so make sure you know that what the market is doing. So equal low, bounce. Again, we have a similar setup. So it should give us a bounce here. Okay, to the point of control line around 446 area. I don't know what you are doing. You should have no XOXL position. That's it. How do I know what you're doing on the phone or computer or that? Okay. So SMCI, exactly what's happening. We got the awareness Marubazu. Now the market will be sidelined for a couple of days before the next breakout. Breakout will be straight into 43 and 47. Mark this line right here. You see this line coming from here, which is 46. So sideline action right here. Keep monitoring. It will stay sideline. So keep selling the covered call on this one. Soundhound, okay. SOXL, pull back. Tesla, we need about $5-6 bounce on Tesla here. Theta has not yet taken any action yet. Okay. That was 4/30th of January. Tesla 420 buy 470. Tesla shareholder can do the adjustment on the price. Okay, on the call side. The call is $300 green. We can cut this and sell the call down. Which call we can do? 420. The delta for the 420 put is 41. And we can sell the call for 445 and collect another $900. Okay, very good. So I'm putting the adjustment on this trade. Okay, short triangle on Tesla, which we collected the $1,410 overall trade. We are $200 loss right now, but we are making $300 profit on this and adjusting the trade for additional $600 credit. Everyone, Tesla trade 013 adjustment. Close $470 call for. Okay, we sold it for 620 and now 470 is coming for 340. So 630, 6.30 minus 3.35. So that's $295 profit. $295 profit, and hold the put as it is. Make sure you know that. Hold $420 put as it is, and then sell new call for 30th of January for $445. Okay, 445 and collect dollar. How much are we getting here? 445. 445 delta is 34. Okay, so $880. Okay, collect $880. Okay, everyone, Tesla short triangle adjust for $300 profit and collect additional $800 from the market. That's it. Option wheel. Okay, anyone who is down on the account, some position stuck, make sure you start working on the recovery now. This is the time. Start selling, sell something. Short triangle, option wheel. Do something, don't sit. Bring your account back. So adjust the Tesla trade everywhere. 3065, very nice, not bad. Netflix is green. You see that this piece of shit is holding, and this is the candle I was talking about. Spread candle at the bottom. After this candle, the next candle is 100% a big green candle. Nothing can stop this candle to appear. Okay, big breakout candle, momentum candle. And algorithm has already picked up the bottom today. You see the ghost green colored box. Yep. So everything is ready. Price will be heading into this trend line, which is approximately 112 area. Right in this area. Okay. If you don't have a Tesla trade, you don't do anything. Nothing. Show me your accounts, the screenshot. All right, let's see. Mara is bloody bleeding today. I was expecting a nice recovery. From 895, it went to 1140, and they lost again $1, 10% today. That's the problem with the crypto stocks. NEO is bleeding. What's wrong with NEO here? Why NEO is going down today? Lost the way. Oh no, still not. Okay, 438 is our bottom. So we still have another 18 cent to drop, but we already been picked up by the algo. So we are sitting at the bottom, and the recovery will start anytime. Circle 74 was the price target. We already hit the Circle's price target this morning. Okay, right here 74, 75. Price will only go where, yes, NVDA, very important. NVDA will drop back to 169.55. There is a downside again. Okay, this shit, Marubazu up, Marubazu down, right in this area, 170 area. So NVIDIA has 170 area bottom. So once you see NVIDIA 170, long position. 683, a little bit of recovery in this candle, but still the market is bearish. There's nothing to do. Every recovery on this one, go to hourly time frame. Every time you see bounce on S&P 500, you buy at the money put, or you short the share. Every time. Now it's going for the gap mitigation right here. You left the gap. So right here, 687 area, and then sell off once again. So approximately $4 up and sell off. Okay, so it's not going anywhere, still bearish. What is the bottom on the hood? 94.11. We are waiting on this one. We are also looking for a good trade. 102, first price target hit. And to the pennies, 102.60. Pennies, not even 1 cent. Not even 1 cent. First price target of 102.60 means 102.60. Bloody hell. Hood. Okay, first price target hit 102.60. Wow. We have an ongoing trade. You can also start the trade now. There is no guarantee we get 94.11 because our First price target already hit. If we get it, we double down. Otherwise, we are in the trade now. Because 102 is a good entry here. Look, what did I say? Top price target 102.10 was alerted here on 15th of December. Get in the trade. Okay, right here. Price target 186, the entry 102.10, and the price came to 102 and 60, 50 cents precise, right from 15th of December. Where was the price on 15th of December? When we call the bottom. 15th of December, 15th of December. Wow. So 15th of December, right here, 18, okay, here. 18, 17, 15 here, okay, 15 here, okay. Right at this candle on 15th of December here, when the price was at 119, that time we call the bottom will be 102. Right here, and here we go. How long it took? 15 December to 20th of January. After 35 days? Yeah, 35 days. Liquidity, exhaustion gap, bounce. Okay, so this put was sold for 8, went to 16. We are losing about $800 here. We have closed about $400 already. The call will be wasted for 8, 12. Okay, so there is nothing we are losing. It's a free money. 230 is back. If this expire 245 to 45, that will give us 8 plus 12. So 233. So right now we are about $2.5 in loss here, which we already closed the profit. So we are good. So we are at break even right now. So we are good. We are good. We are good. Yes, we just did the adjustment coin. Yes. If you have 15th May trade, then you do a little bit of, I have a 30th of January coin. I was a little aggressive on this trade. Okay, so if you have 15th of May, let me see which coin you have. 15th of May. I don't have that trade. 15th of May. I have 30th of January. Diamond bottom. Coin. Coin is a good buy. Mara is a good buy. BMNR is a good buy. Amazon is a good buy. Microsoft is a good buy. So Neo is a good buy. NVDA is a good buy. There are a lot of stock with those are trading in a right range where you buy, but we don't buy the share. Remember, we are not the buying group. So 300 to 70 calls. So this is what we are looking. So 300. Which trade you have? I think you have coin 15th of May, right? Yeah, long synthetic coin for this one. Okay. 240 put, 240 also long. Okay, 240. I had the same trade, but I had it for 30th of January. What you don't see? Show me your trade. I just adjusted the coin. I told everyone I'm adjusting the coin. For $205 profit on the coin triangle. And for Tesla, $295 profit. 90, 460, 90,500. Wow, everything is red. Let's see which one is the highest red. Booking.com. Oh, missed it. I literally wanted to short the call on this one, but when I saw the trade, it was too late. Equal high, sell liquidity, perfect. $5,500 at the money call was trading for bloody, I think $20,000. There was a free money on this one. I missed the trade right here. This was literally free money here on booking.com because there was a seller every time the price comes, the seller was sitting here. You see that right here. So the price came in here, seller, price came in here, seller, 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 seller. Everywhere there was seller in this range. 5,500. Literally, I was looking at this one. Non-stop going us. Please let us know when to short MU. When the stock is going up continuously, it means in the market melt up. So you never short the trend, okay? Never short the trend. This candle you cannot short even if the price is going up. So what you wait? You wait for the candle to fall like this one. Unless you have a divergence, okay? Unless you have a divergence like this candle we shorted here, like you see the divergence. Let me delete the yellow line. So you see the divergence when this candle, this spread candle falling short of this one, we shorted here, we booked the profit next day in this candle. Same thing. Do not try to short this candle. You will burn. Right today, you will have a loss. So every time you have a divergence in the candle, let's say the next candle falling short like this one here, that candle is your short and you $10, $15 and you are out like this one. I'm looking at this one right now. Yeah. 009 MU non-stop, don't short yet. Nikit, you are new, so you will learn a little bit slowly. Don't short yet. 15 May 240 put. No, this trade is directional. I don't think so. We can do much about this one. 15th of May 240, 240 put we have sold. Good. 240 call we have purchased, and we have $3 call sold. I wouldn't recommend to adjust this trade because this trade is a big dollar trade. Why do you want to get like play around with this trade for a small money? Alert 009. I would not suggest to close. If you want to close, like you want to bring the loss, which is right now because it's a directional trade, bullish trade. If you want to cover a little bit, 1685, I can give you cover like $500. You can close, and but then you will long run you have to cut your profit because the profit window will narrow down. Okay, 300 call you can close and you can sell the 270 call for another $1,800. Yeah. So alert 009, I can give you the adjustment where you can close $500. I personally, I wouldn't prefer this, but $500 on the table, if you want, you can take it. There's nothing wrong. And collect the higher premium so you don't have a margin call or something. Okay. That's it. Here you go. Everyone, coin alert 009, adjust for $500 profit and higher credit. You'll get the credit instead of 11, you'll get the credit of 17. So you're collecting extra $500 from the market and you're booking $500 profit. So it will bring in $1,000 in the account. So that's cool. You still have a lot of money to make on this. 17. 30, and 17, that gives you 47 plus 35. Yeah, still there is like 3x profit on this one. You're good. I think good. 15 में 240, 240, 240, close 300 call. Yeah. Adjust. It's a long synthetic directional trade because the price drop on coin. So that's why the trade has gone in loss. But because we are the seller, so we are still making $500. So closing $500 profit and then collecting additional $500 makes sense. Okay. Adjust the trade like this one. So buy, let me give it a screenshot. Buy 300, sell 270. Keep adjusting. We are in the option wheel. Volatility is high. We can't just sit idle now. This is the time to make money. Keep rolling. Keep doing something about your options. Okay. Account is very red today. Bloody. Which will, because everything is 4 or 5% down. It's a lower circuit. Resolve, DXCM, Marble, Netflix is green. Okay. MU is green. Mali, Baiju, AMG, CME, UNH. Okay. Very good. Most of the market is red. Everything is bleeding. So this is what happens time to time. It's good. Nothing wrong. Only thing you do is do not buy anything. Share Atlas. Don't buy share. Don't put capital in the markets. Rest, you can do whatever you want to do. You can sell the short, the put, you can buy the call, you can do anything, but don't buy the share. Don't put a majority of your capital in the market now. It's always a good buy. We are holding. $11.98. We all are holding right now. So you'll probably have a better entry than us. Scotia Bank. Do not panic and do not tell me, oh my God, why the market is selling. I alerted you this on 12th of October. 12th of October precisely pinpointed the market will sell off on 16th of January. So if even in 2 months, if you 2 months and 4 days, if you cannot take right actions, then you have a problem. And this drama will last until 15th of February. So we have exactly 20, 15 and 10, 25 days. Next 25 days, you run the option wheel. And you keep rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling, and that's it. Okay. All right, BMNR down, bull 784, really bad. BMNR, this call, where the hell it's come from? SMCI, one call for 170. SMCI is still, call is still red. Okay, DVLT is down 69. NEO is down from 52448. Okay, NEO is reaching to the bottom close. Don't buy yet. Our next buy is below down here at this point right here. So don't buy anything before 438. No average out or nothing. Have a lot of patience now. You see here 438 right at this point. So under this point we will be buying, like in this box. Till then we'll not touch. This is where we'll buy. So we have a little bit more downside left. You're precisely heading into our price target. 8% down. What's going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum? Crypto is really bleeding. 90,000, 89,000. Whoa. Looks like they're trying to liquidate under this point. Everyone right here. Again, same game manipulation going on. Nothing happened in this world. Greenland does not run the crypto. Okay, it's not that, oh, Greenland is a big thing and the crypto will sell off. It's all nonsense, manipulation. Ethereum back under 3,000. Okay, heavy buying pressure. Bitcoin, not so much, but Ethereum is good. Solana is having a buying pressure here. Fair value gap right here. Okay. XRP under 190. This garbage, I don't believe in anything. I'm not a big fan of this. This will ever go to $10. Okay, hold everything. No new trade. Keep adjusting. Keep selling something. Adjust. Against your put, sell the call. Against the sell, call, sell another call. But sell something. Don't buy anything. I made a mistake on this, going covered on WIX. I was every single day I was pinpointing the WIX is going up, WIX is going up, and I don't know why the hell I sold the covered. Made a mistake. See that? It has a lot more upside here. The price will go right here. Right in this area, which is 22.32. So still there are another $3 upside more right here. Okay, let's check the Japan yield. Where the hell is trading 10-year bond yield? 2.34. Okay, once it crosses 250, this one, okay, 250 and 3. Once it reaches 3, US stock market will crash. Okay, so make sure you are aware of this. Once Japan 10-year yield bond yield reaches to 3.00, US stock market will crash. Keep an eye on this one. That's why I've been saying every market recovery, buy the put. Don't hesitate to buy the put. SMCI best entry was when it was at 29. How many days I was screaming buy SMCI? This 27.75. Wave C. If you're lucky, you might get this entry again. Otherwise, I don't think so. Now, if you're looking for entry, low of this candle should be your entry right here, which is your 29.02. So 29.02 makes sense if you can get it. Apple. On the screen. Bearish. Down here. A little bit more downside. I will not touch this stock unless the price drops to 244. Okay. So right here, let's scan here. Okay. So the trend started right here. This was the ultimate low. We have the breakdown. So we have a confirmed trend change right here on this candle. Then we again had here, very good. Then we had again at this candle. Okay, this was range bound. Here it was range bound. Okay, very good. Here it was a correction. Yep. So this become the top, this become the low, and the possibility about 229. That's where you should be looking for entry right here. So we are not quite yet there. It's oversold on daily, but still more downside. Because if you look carefully, the seller are interested in dumping. Look at the volume. Price is dropping, volume is going up. Up means more the price is dropping, more the seller are showing up. Means gamma negative, GEX negative on the. I can, without looking at the data, I can tell you Apple has a negative GEX. Let's look at on unusual way. Oh yes, she's coming tomorrow. I told you. Rahul knows. Auntie is coming tomorrow from Florida. She might be listening right now. She'll kill me. Whatever she touches, the stock will go down. That's it. I don't know why she's in trading. I don't understand. I told her like 1,000 times, quit trading. It's not for you. Okay, Apple negative GEX right on the screen. And here we go, 30th of January. So this is where the bottom will be. Okay, after that, bullish, 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 bullish. So around 30th of January. Excess liquidity. This excess liquidity is killing. Yeah, we can see the symptoms. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, Rahul, what's the Apple symptom? You know that. You know that. Oh shit. DDOG, 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 DDOG is sitting at the bottom because today the entire market is sell off. So DDOG will not outsmart the market, the entire market. Okay, let's look at what's going on. This was the liquidity right here at this point. We had a sweep completely. So what will happen? The normal pattern, if you want to understand what will happen, we already have the awareness Marubazu candle. We know that the buyer are showing up in between internal demand. You see that every time the green candle, when it comes, it's getting stronger. So right here, spread, then it becomes a little bit of strong, then it becomes a solid green candle. So when the demand will come, it will come big. Okay. But what is happening here? Something like this you will see. So a little bit more down here, like this, then tap this further down like this, and then breakout. Okay. So most likely the tapping will happen here. So another demand, next sell-off, kind of like, not a big sell-off, but let me draw it perfectly. You'll see kind of this kind of pattern, like sideline, bounce, and a little bit sideline. Okay. So like you see this kind of behavior in the box. This is the kind of behavior you'll see. A little bit recovery, sideline, and then. So if you want, we are kind of right now, if you want to try to figure out, okay, we are kind of here. We are kind of here somewhere. Okay. So bounce. So sell off, bounce, another sell off, and then shoot up. So you see this, this is where we are right now. So sell off, bounce, another sell off, and shoot up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the kind of price we are looking at. And most likely this is what you will see here. So down, up, down, and shoot up. So this is the kind of price you will see. So we have a little bit more downside here, not yet bullish, but we are very close to the bottom. So there is not much of anything to worry about. Okay. Well, why did it sign me out? Oh, something happened to the website. Okay. Okay, here we go. So we have a little bit more downside. Don't buy right now. Okay. Why you don't buy? Because you don't buy against the trend. We don't have any reversal candle. You see that right here? There is no reversal candle. There is no green candle. There is no candle bouncing. Okay. So we need to wait for these kind of candles. See this spindle and green candle like this one. So when those candle comes, then you enter the trade. So wait right now on DDOG. 424 coin, BMNR. Now market will make frustrate people for next few days. Every time the momentum starts and then there's a tariff shit on European Union, Japan, China, India, this, that. It's like Trump is saying to everyone, I pumped the market, now I won't let it go more up. Every time it go up, I'll bring it down. Okay, coin 229. Coin, we need a little bit bounce here right now on a 30-minute time frame. Let me see what's going on here. Equal low. Very good. Right here, the price need to bounce right at this candle. That's it. It should hold a double bottom. It will be interesting. Yeah. Give us like $4, $5, 235, 237 area, and we'll be happy. Okay, 30th of May, options. Sorry, 30th of January. The price is 230. 230 call is selling for $9. Usual. Minus 464 minus $10 to 40 plus. Okay. This candle is bullish, by the way. 230.65. This current candle you are looking at, we see the divergence in the candle body right here. On a smaller time frame, if we go, you'll see the green candle. There you go. You don't even need to draw the line. You always see it. Okay. So let it bounce a little bit here. I'll stop the stream at 10:30. Okay. Then we'll be in Discord. Do not buy anything new. I'm telling you again and again, do not buy. Today is the first day of the sell-off. Do not buy anything. You sell the call, sell the put, sell the bull put spread. Any trade you take today is the day to take bull put credit spread. Okay? Any stock, bull put credit spread. Because tomorrow, any recovery, all bull put credit spread will be in profit. Make sure you play the market right. We don't have much time. 40, 45 days, 50 days, we need to bring everyone in profits. And to bring everyone in profit, everyone has to play like the game correctly. It's making noise. $16.16. Here we go. What did I say? 15.75, 15.86, and bounce. You see the shit just went crazy. 15.75 was our price target. 15.86 dropped and bounce. Short the put, bull put credit spread on Rivian. Everyone, bull put credit spread on Rivian. Same trade. If those who have a trade, I have a trade. So if those who not having a trade, start the new trade on Rivian. If you have a trade, repeat the trade. Bull put credit spread put. Precise to 11 cent. Come on. Okay, Rivian, I have $17 short put, $13 long put. 50 contract. No, sorry. Oh, I have a call spread. Whoa. Why do I have a call? Okay, May. Okay, that's cool. 13.17 call spread. So that's cool as well. It's okay. It will work. Netflix trade is coming back. We have a call spread, 90-100. We also have the bull put spread. Both are recovering. And we'll hold it through the earning. Rivian, you can have a call spread now. 13.17 combo for 15th of May. Decent spread. So 13.17, $4. You are investing today around 2. So that's like 100% run. $2 to $4. It's a good trade. Our original coin position when we bought the share is killing us. Huh? Okay, Rivian. Rivian, I have $17 short call and 13 long for 15th of May. So $13 call is a buy, $17 is a sell for $2.11. I have 50 contract, $10,000 invested. Okay, 15. You can take a trade on Rivian today, I think. SMCI is holding 30. Very nice. Again, we see the recovery right here. High volume, stopping volume, spread candle. As soon as the price break above this candle, you should be looking for a long entry once again, right here. So which is 31.36. As soon as the price break out 31.36, the price will run right here. Then it will run again. Okay. I'll go alpha. 26. SoFi Neo. Okay. See Neo price target upside. So we are on a 30-minute time frame here. SPY. 679 SPY entry. Okay. Short position. All right. Very good. 6.3 price target. Fill the 250. Huh? Why are you so eager? Why are you so eager 250 when the mid price is 214? Why? Why are you paying a $5 Apple and you are going and paid, hey, this I have $7, take from me? Nikit, you are new in the group. It will take you time to understand. Okay, so go slow. Don't rush. Yeah, 212 is fine. So you are writing 250. Then you need to know what you are writing. Okay, market is coming back. Here we go. Beautiful. I told you there is a divergence and the price is bouncing. We should go back to 237 on coin. Another $5 bounce. Come on, shoot up. Even if the price goes back where it was here, right? 241, we opened the trade. When did we open? 241. Which price? Let me see. Coin. Even if the price goes to 251, we'll be sitting at $1,000 profit. We already closed 500, and here back another $500. So the coin trade we started on. This will make big dollar. And last time we it's the same like when last time we closed 750 overnight per contract. So where is the trade gone? Okay, trade number 009. Right here. Okay. So we opened this trade. Which day? Okay, we opened it here. This was our second trade on this one. 35. So 240, 300, we made $500. Again, we took another $1,700 trade. So 15th of January at 10:57. Where was the price on 15th of January? Okay. So we opened the trade right here, 15th of January. Yeah, so right here. Okay. So 243. Okay. Even if the price goes to 243, equal high will be sitting at a solid profit. So here we go. Amazon is back. We have a covered call. Leave the covered call as it is. Don't touch this trade because we have a money invested a big. We have the share. So when we have a capital invested, we want to protect it. 29.18. BMNR is coming back. Bull is coming back. We have a pin bar candle. Coin is coming back. We hit the bottom at 228. $4 recovery. Good. Everything is coming back now. Hood 107. This was the perfect hit. I'm sure now we want to get the 94. This ship exactly pinpointed our price target and went up like $5. Crazy. That was too fast. Coin is coming back. Very good. $295. I can sell. Sell 2 extra call here. 2 extra call here for 310. Sell 2 for 310. Let me show the VIX. It looks like VIX is pulling back now. Yeah, VIX is pulling back. And 320. VIX will shoot up once again. Okay, don't short VIX. Don't short. VIX is going crazy. Price target is 28.85. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Continue holding your long call on the VIX. That's going to be crazy profit. We have $16 call. If it shoot up to 28, will be $12 in the money, and we have paid the premium $5. So 16 plus 21 will be $7, like 120, 130% profit on this. Okay, continue holding VIX. SMCI going to $60. SMCI has only one way, which is upside. I'll stop the stream. I'll be in the Discord now. Okay. So let's switch from here because today the stream was public because it's the first day of the week. So now we'll stop and we'll focus on our trade in the group. Thank you, everyone. Bye.